Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to rotate video in Adobe Premiere Pro for Instagram Reels with a complete guide. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import your video by going to File, Isnai, Import, then drag it to the timeline, select the video clip on the timeline. Open the Effect Controls panel on the left side. Under the Motion section, you will see Rotation. Change the value to 90 degrees or 90 degrees to rotate the video vertically. Now change your sequence settings for Reels. Right-click on your sequence in the project panel and select Sequence Settings. Set the frame size to 1080 x 1920 916 vertical and click OK. Go back to the timeline, select your clip, and adjust the position and scale in Effect Controls so the video fits properly in the vertical frame. Finally, go to File, Dynamics, Export Media. Choose H.264 format, set resolution to 1080 x 1920, and export your video. That's it. This is how you can rotate video in Adobe Premiere Pro for Instagram Reels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.